Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Yes, let's talk about Terra Classic and what Elon Musk said about Terra Classic coin crash. Now, this is exactly 1 year Terra Classic crash, all the way from 42 billion market cap down to $300 million market cap. Now, a lot of people expected Elon Musk to say something about Terra Classic crash, but remember that Elon Musk is someone that loves cryptocurrency, and he also launched Dogecoin. Now, during this crash, so many people were expecting Musk to say something about what Terra Classic. They wanted to know what he would say about Terra Classic, and even after the crash, they wanted to hear from him. But rather, during this period, some people were tagging him. What Musk was posting was Dogecoin. Wow, well, he is in love with Dogecoin. So instead of saying something else, coming out to say this about Terra Classic, he was actually posting Dogecoin. That shows that he actually passed a message that he is more concerned with Dogecoin. Okay, he doesn't have anything to say with what about Terra Classic. So he has been someone. He's been a top actor in crypto industry. Whatever he says always affect crypto industry. Whatever he posts always affect crypto industry. That is Elon Musk for you. So most times you see some people want to just to tag him to say something about a particular coin, because they just want, especially when these coins are trying to do well. You see people holders community are always tagging Elon Musk, and especially with coins that have to do with memo coins, because they know that his personality, his followers, the kind of person he is, especially in crypto industry, he can really change the game for so many coins. So this is why they were attacking him to see if maybe he would actually say something about Terra Classic that will change the game then. But more still remain posting about Dogecoin. But I still wish him, Musk, can just come out and say something about Dogecoin. I mean, say something good about Dogecoin, something nice about Dogecoin. It will help Dogecoin to really bounce back. For Musk, it was because of Elon Musk that I even bought more of Dogecoin. Okay, yes, it was more because of Elon Musk that I even bought more of Dogecoin. But if he can say something about Terra Classic, definitely it will really help Terra Classic to really increase and it will bring some changes to Terra Classic. But today I have a lot of Dogecoin, all because of Elon Musk, and I believe that Dogecoin can one day hit $1 or $2, even $5, and that's a lot of money for the holder. So let's hope for the best, and for Elon Musk, as I believe he will continue to support crypto industry in the near future. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decisions.